Okay, now it's your turn, Hans. Oh. Mainit yung tubig. May ganito pala dito pero hindi mo siya makita pag nandun ka sa may ano. Ano na pa, high tide na. High tide na. Here is a bit cold, there is warm. The deeper the colder.
The deeper the colder.
The shallower the hotter.
How? I know.
Okay. But it's muddy, huh? Huwag kang ano kasi muddy to. Hindi to bunbun kang katulad sa atin. Katulad sa Sikugon. This one is mud.
There's a crab on the lady. There's a crab.
There's a crab. Look at that. Kala mo
Where's
lang.
it?
Marami talaga kaming sand dito. Kaso lang, lakarin mo lang talaga ng napakalayo. Siguro nilakad namin ano, galing sa bawang pa Kansulaw or farther Buaya kasi 1 hour namin nilakad. Oh, ang daming mga boats.
Wow.
Diba?
Is that that?
Oh, there's a
We need
crab.
that as a meal.
A meal.
What?
We need that as a meal daw. Hindi pa sana
It's alive.
Do you already had your crab?
dead.
Did you eat a crab? Do you, Hans?